right now 70,000 kilometers, and I think it's time to do a valve clearance and checking how it looks like.
And our brother is coming to help us because we never do this before and we don't want to have any problem for the engine.
First you take off your seat, the plastics and your tank. Then you will stack the cables. You take out your spark plug as well, open the top of your engine, take off the cover.
Yeah, okay.
Here you put the screwdriver in so it's not turning anymore, so it's basically stuck. You need to like measure. You will open your crankshaft, you rotate it clockwise until you will see the letter T.
Okay.
On the top you will see the in and X, the intake and exhaust at 3 and 9 o'clock. Shims empty size needs to be 0.16, 0.27. You can find it with the filler gauge, how much your shim size is. It's a little hot. It's a little better. Still has friction. You can see like I lift it up. You see that? You need to calculate it again, the empty part, if it's not correct. Like how much it needs to be. We'll show you the mathematics. You take out the shims. First you need to open the another cover for the eccentric chain. Make sure you're not dropping anything inside, because it will just drop inside your engine, so it's very hard to get it out again. And you don't want to get the whole engine out of your motorcycle.
Okay, go.
It's going?
Yeah, go.
Get them out, all screws, very easy to not take any damage.
Okay, stop. And this one.
This is done. This is already.
Okay, this.
And the one in the back.
Take, okay.
Eventually you need to be very careful. The screws have a different size, small and large. Just write it down like this, like we're showing. Small, large, large, small. The other side is directly the opposite. For your eccentric chain, make sure you already tied it up. Same as this, you don't want it to fall down inside your engine, because it's very hard to get it out. You take off the sprockets from the eccentric chain.
Back side.
Then you will get the shims out. Use a magnet for this. So again, make sure they're not dropping down. Again, just make a draw how they are. Use a micrometer to see how big they are. Then you will know what size you will need to change them, if you need to change them.
Yeah. Hesaplıyoruz. Hazır mısın?
Ben dedim buradan hesaplayacak, o gitti oradan hesaplıyor.
Ne yapacağız? Kalemle mi hesaplayayım?
Here's the mathematics.
Bir dakika, ne kadar eksikti? 0.07 eksik. Yani normalde bunun üzerine 0.07 koymamız lazımdı. Yani bunun üzerine 0.07 koyarsak bu olur. 2.10 saat 0.07 ise 2.17 falan lazım. 2.20.
Çok oldu lan.
2.20 olsa bu olur. Bu da 2.30 falan lazım. Shim put here.
Yes.
There is no direction. This side or
Yes,
this side,
yes.
no problem. And then close. Getir parçaları takalım abla
We
gelin.
will close it one.
There is, did you see? This put here.
Put some oil on as well. So first time you start your engine, you will already have a little bit of oil around, so you cannot have any damage
Ah,
around.
okay.
It will only be the first few seconds. There will not be any oil, but just make sure put a bit of oil. Just drop it in.
Kapatırken abla buraya biraz motor yağı dökün. Az bir şey. Çünkü zaten motor yağı bunun içinde devir daim yapıyor normalde. İlk çalışta yağ yok ya, biz de şimdi aldık tüm yağ. Şuralara biraz hafiften motor yağı sürün. Öyle kapatın. İlk dönüşte şey olmasın, en azından çizilmesin.
Put back the cover. Make sure the seal is nicely in all spots. You put back your spark plug, your tank,
Bu niye kısa ya?
and after that you can give it a shot. See if everything's working.